Hello students, myself Nidhi Shakaria. Today I am conducting this session for subject Maths grade 5 and this is our 8th session for the chapter Large Numbers. Now students, in our previous session we have studied the concept of rounding of the numbers. Now in our today's session we will study about Roman numerals, the different way to write the numbers. Now students, you might have seen in some clocks and watches, as you can see in this picture, that to show the numbers from 1 to 12, letter symbols are used instead of the digits from 0 to 9. Now students, when we form the numbers, when we write the numbers, then we use the digits from this set to write the numbers in this manner, right? Now these are the Hindu-Arabic numerals that we write. And we use the digits, these numerical symbols only. So this is our Hindu-Arabic numeral system to write the numbers in this manner. But in case of the Roman numeral system, they use the 7 basic letter symbols. Now these are the 7 basic letter symbols that are used in the Roman numeral system. Now over here, we have the values for these letter symbols over here. The Hindu-Arabic numerals for these Roman numerals are over here. So if we want to write the number 1, then the Roman numeral for that is I. If we want to write number 5, then for that the Roman numeral is V. Then if we want to write number 10, then the letter symbol, the Roman numeral for it is X. Then over here we have Roman numeral L, which stands for number 50. Roman numeral C, the letter symbol C stands for number 100. Then D, this is the Roman numeral, the letter symbol for number 500. And N, this Roman numeral, this letter symbol is for number 1000. Now students, in case of the Roman numeral system, they do not have the concept of 0. If we want to show the number 0, then how do we write it? This manner. But in case of Roman numeral system, they do not have the concept of 0. उसके लिए Roman numeral है ही नहीं. And also, they do not have the concept of place value. Now, in case of the number 25, over here the place value of digit 2 at 10th place is 20. 2 followed by 1, 0. Over here, in case of this number 907, the place value of digit 9 is 909 followed by 2 zeros. So, in case of the Roman numeral system, they do not have the concept of 0 and place value. और स्टूडेंट्स, जब रोमन न्यूमेरल सिस्टम को यूज करके हमें नंबर्स लिखने हैं, then we will not use the digits from this set, but we will use these letter symbols, these 7 letter symbols only. इन्हीं को यूज करके, इनकी कॉम्बिनेशंस को यूज करके, we will write the Roman numerals. So now students, let us have a look at the rules for writing Roman numerals.
So rule number 1, when a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it is repeated. So for example, over here, letter symbol I is repeated 2 times. So its value, which is 1, is added 2 times, and that is equal to 2. So for 2, the Roman numeral we have is I repeated 2 times. Then over here X is written 3 times. So its value, that is 10, is added 3 times. And 10 add 10 add 10 is equal to 30. So for 30, the Roman numeral we have is X repeated 3 times. Then C is repeated 2 times. So its value, which is equal to 100, is added 2 times, and the result is 200. So number 200 is written in the form of Roman numeral as C repeated 2 times. Now students, remember, only letter symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated. And that too, a symbol can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times in a number. So from these 7 letter symbols, only I, X, C and M, these 4 can be repeated. Letter symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated. And the symbols I, X, C and M, they can be repeated to a maximum of 3 times in a number. So more than 3 times repetition not allowed. Then rule number 2, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, the smaller value is added to the greater value. So over here, for example, we have V followed by I. So over here we have a larger numeral, and then to its right we have a smaller numeral. So when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, so पहले larger numeral है and then we have smaller numeral, then we have to add their values. So value of V is 5, value of I is 1, and adding these two we have the result 6. So 6 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल क्या है? V followed by I. पहले larger numeral then smaller numeral. Now over here we have V followed by I repeated 3 times. So 5 value of V add I is repeated 3 times. So 1 add 1 add 1. So 5 add 3 is equal to 8. So 8 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है V followed by I repeated 3 times. Then over here this one M followed by X repeated 2 times, then V and then I repeated 2 times. So M के लिए value है 1000, and then for X repeated 2 times we have added 10 2 times, and then we have V, so उसकी value है 5, and then I repeated 2 times, so adding 1 2 times. So over here the result of addition of these is 1027. Now rule number 3, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value. So पहले smaller numeral, then we have the larger numeral with the greater value. In that case, the smaller value is subtracted from the greater value. So for example, over here we have I, the smaller numeral first, then we have V, the larger numeral. So over here we have to subtract the value of the smaller numeral from the value of the larger numeral. So I की value है 1, that is subtracted from the value of V, that is 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल क्या है? I followed by V. पहले smaller numeral and then larger numeral. Over here we have X followed by C. So smaller numeral and then we have the larger numeral. Over here again subtraction. So subtracting the value of X from the value of C. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So 90 के लिए रोमन numeral है X followed by C. Now over here we have X followed by L. So smaller numeral and then a larger numeral with greater value. So यहाँ पे वापस subtraction होगा. So X की value है 10, which is subtracted from the value of the larger numeral, that is L. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So 40 के लिए रोमन numeral है X followed by L. Over here also we have C followed by M. So M की जो value है 1000, from that we have to subtract the value of smaller numeral, that is 100, and the result is 900. So for 900 we have the Roman numeral C followed by M. Now students, the letter symbols V, L and D are never subtracted. So over here only I, X and C, these three letter symbols are allowed to be subtracted. Letter symbols V, L and D, these are not subtracted. और ये तो लास्ट में है. So I can be subtracted from V and X only. So over here I is allowed to be subtracted from V and X only. So if there is a larger numeral after I, then only V or X can be written after I. Then X can be subtracted from L and C only. So X के बाद if we want to write a larger numeral, then only L and C can be written. So X can be subtracted from L and C only. Then C can be subtracted from D and M only. So C के बाद D और M larger numerals लिख सकते हैं, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. But the letter symbols V, L and D cannot be subtracted. So V, L और D के बाद हम larger numerals नहीं लिख सकते. Now rule number 4. If a smaller numeral is placed between two greater numerals, then it is always subtracted from the numeral immediately following it. So over here, for example, we have I, which is written between two numerals with greater value. So in this case, we have to write the value for x first, 10, then we have to perform addition of the result of the subtraction between these two. I के बाद जो larger numeral है उसमें से we have to subtract its value. So 5 the value for v minus 1 the value for I. 5 minus 1 putting that in brackets, and the result of this is added to 10. So the answer is 10 add 4 is equal to 14. So a smaller numeral is placed between two greater numerals. In that case, the value of the smaller numeral is subtracted from the numeral immediately following it. Again over here, for example, we have I, which is written between two x. So 10 add, फिर 1 is subtracted from this x. So 10 minus 1 is 9, and the result 9 is added to 10. So 10 add 9 is equal to 19. So for 19, the Roman numeral is x followed by I followed by x. And for 14, we have the Roman numeral x followed by I followed by v. Now, rule number 5. If a bar is placed over a numeral, for example, over here, above this letter symbol, we have a bar, then it is multiplied by 1000. So, value of v is 5, then 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000. So, for 5000, we have this Roman numeral. Then, over here, we have a bar over letter symbol L. So, value for L is 50, and 50 is multiplied by 1000. So the result is 50,000. So for 50,000 we have this Roman numeral. Now over here we have I followed by V, and उसके ऊपर bar है. So I followed by V means 5 minus 1, and that is 4. So 4 multiplied by 1000 is 4000. Add, we have x, so its value is 10. Add i's value is 1. So adding these, the result is 4011. So for 4011, the Roman numeral is written in this manner. Now students, over here I is repeated 4 times. So repetition more than 3 times is not allowed. So this is incorrect. But we write 14 in this manner. And over here we have a smaller numeral between two numerals with greater value. So we have to perform subtraction of the smaller numeral from the next larger numeral. और उसका जो result है that we have to add to the value for x, the first x. So 10 add 9 is equal to 90. So this is the correct Hindu-Arabic numeral for this given Roman numeral, and not this. Now students, let us have a look over here at the Roman numerals from 1 to 10. So over here we already know the Roman numeral for 1, that is I. Then Roman numeral for 2 will be I repeated 2 times. 1 add 1 is equal to 2. Then Roman numeral for 3 will be I repeated 3 times. That is 1 add 1 add 1, and the result is 3. Then Roman numeral for 4 is I followed by V, smaller numeral and then a larger numeral. So value of I is subtracted from value of V. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then we already know that letter symbol V has the value 5. So Roman numeral for number 5 is V. Then Roman numeral for number 6 is V followed by I. पहले larger numeral then smaller numeral. So addition of their values. Then we have Roman numeral for number 7, that is V followed by I repeated 2 times. So इनकी values add होगी. 5 add 1 add 1. 5 add 2 is equal to 7. Then Roman numeral for number 8 is V followed by I repeated 3 times. So over here 5 add 1 add 1 add 1. Result is 8. 5 add 3 is equal to 8. Then Roman numeral for number 9. So over here we have I followed by X. पहले smaller numeral then a larger numeral. So I की value 1 subtract होगी X की value में से 10 में से. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Then we already know that X has the value 10. So Roman numeral for 10 is X. Now let us have a look at the Roman numerals from 11 to 20. सो स्टूडेंट्स हमें 11 to 20 ये नंबर्स कैसे मिलेंगे? सो इफ वी ऐड 10 टू द नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 10, सो हमें नेक्स्ट 10 नंबर्स दैट इज 11 to 20 मिल जाएंगे. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव डन ओवर हियर. 11 is equal to 10 add 1, 12 is equal to 10 add 2, 13 is equal to 10 add 3, so on till 20 which is equal to 10 add 10. So students हमने जो रोमन न्यूमरल्स 1 to 10 के लिए है that is I, then I repeated 2 times, I repeated 3 times and this one, then all these until 10 के लिए जो रोमन न्यूमरल है that is X. So इनके आगे हमने we have added 10 over here. So 10 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल क्या है? X. So इन सभी के आगे we have added X over here. See, I से पहले X, I repeated 2 times, इससे पहले X, यहाँ पे भी पहले X, इससे पहले X. So over here what have we done? 1 से लेके 10 तक हमारे पास ये रोमन न्यूमरल्स है, इनके आगे X ऐड कर दिया. So over here we have the Roman numerals for 11 to 20. So 11 is equal to 10 add 1. So 10 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है X और 1 के लिए I. Then 12 is equal to 10 add 2. तो 10 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है X, 2 के लिए I repeated 2 times. Like that, let us see for 19. 19 is equal to 10 add 9. So 10 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है X और 9 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है I followed by X. Right? Smaller numeral placed between two larger numerals. So जो next numeral है उसमें से उसकी वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट करनी है. So 10 add 10 minus 1 that is 9. So 10 add 9 is equal to 19. And 20 is equal to 10 add 10. So X repeated 2 times. Now students, let us have a look at the Roman numerals from 21 to 30. So students, यहाँ पे we have added 20. Before the Roman numerals for 1 to 10, हमने रोमन न्यूमरल 20 का जो है that is X repeated 2 times सभी जगह ऐड किया है. Right? So we are getting the Roman numerals for the numbers from 21 to 30. 21 is equal to 20 add 1. So 20 का रोमन न्यूमरल है X repeated 2 times और 1 के लिए है I. Then 22 is equal to 20 add 2. So 20 के लिए X repeated 2 times और 2 के लिए I repeated 2 times. So now let us look at the Roman numeral for 29. So we have 20 add 9 which is equal to 29. So 20 के लिए X repeated 2 times और 9 के लिए I followed by X. Now 30 is equal to 10 add 10. So that means X repeated 3 times. Or we can say 30 is equal to 20 add 10. So जो रोमन न्यूमरल है 10 के लिए right that is X, उसके आगे रोमन न्यूमरल for 20 that is X repeated 2 times. So students, in this manner we can remember the Roman numerals for the numbers from 21 to 30 as well. Now the Roman numerals for 31 to 40. So 31 is equal to 30 add 1. तो 30 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है X repeated 3 times और 1 के लिए है I. So students, over here if you look at the numbers from 31 to 39, उनके लिए जो रोमन न्यूमरल्स है सभी में 1 से लेके जो 9 तक रोमन न्यूमरल्स है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे I है, फिर I repeated 2 times, 9 के लिए I followed by X. उन सभी के आगे we have added the Roman numeral for 30 that is X repeated 3 times, X repeated 3 times, X repeated 3 times. So we can easily remember the Roman numerals for the numbers from 31 to 39. Now 40 is equal to 50 minus 10. So यहाँ पे subtraction है. So ये जो स्मॉलर वैल्यू है उसके लिए जो रोमन न्यूमरल है वो पहले लिखना है, दैट इज X. 10 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है X एंड देन लार्जर न्यूमरल. सो 50 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है L. सो X फॉलोड बाय L, स्मॉलर न्यूमरल फॉलोड बाय लार्जर न्यूमरल. सो सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 10 फ्रॉम 50, 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. सो 40 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है X फॉलोड बाय L. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस लुक एट द रोमन न्यूमरल्स फ्रॉम 41 to 50. सो हमें पता है कि 40 के लिए रोमन न्यूमरल है X फॉलोड बाय L. सो 1 से लेके 9 तक के जो रोमन न्यूमरल्स है दैट इज I, देन I repeated 2 times, I repeated 3 times, देन I followed by V और 9 के लिए I followed by X. इन सभी के आगे हमने 40 के लिए जो रोमन न्यूमरल है दैट इज XL, 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 XL वो ऐड कर दिया है. So 41 is equal to 40 add 1. So XL followed by I. 42 is equal to 40 add 2. XL followed by I repeated 3 times. Then 48 is equal to 40 add 8. So XL followed by Roman numeral for 8. That is V followed by I repeated 3 times. V is 5 and this is 3. So 5 add 3 8. तो ये 8 के लिए रोमन न्यूमेरल है. Then 49 is equal to 40 add 9. So XL 40 के लिए रोमन न्यूमेरल and then 9 के लिए रोमन न्यूमेरल है I followed by X. So these are the Roman numerals for the numbers from 41 to 49 and we already know that L has the value 50. So Roman numeral for 50 is letter symbol L. So now students, we have had a look at the Roman numerals from the numbers 1 to 50. And students, remember we have written all the Roman numerals with capital letters.